lot of help. I'm working with the Leukemia Lymphoma Society. They asked me to be one of their candidates for Man of the Year, which I had no idea why, other than maybe the thought we could raise some money. We went out and found a great team of new people, but talented people, creative people, and they put their minds together, and I thought they came together well tonight. For me, it's just an honor to be involved in this stuff.
Yes.
I had no idea that I'd be doing something like this tonight. When I got involved in this, I had no idea it would end up like this. It's really an honor, and I'm just so thankful to be involved.
Why did you want to do? Why do you want to become together, and why do you want to be involved with this cause, which is amazing for our society?
It was just two reasons. One reason was the Boy and Girl of the Year. When I met them, I thought I would do anything I could to help them. They're suffering from leukemia, lymphoma, other blood cancers, and if we can do anything we can to raise money for them, I would love to. The other reason was people in our community need a platform for them to be able to do philanthropic things. That is sort of the genesis of Project Shine, and the reason why this group is a little bit different than other groups. I hope everyone checks it out. I would love to get more people involved. This is just the first of many things we're going to do.
Absolutely wonderful. Everybody loves.
I'll be there to pull your love.